Hi, I am Ivanovich. I have herpes.
Hi, and I'm Terry the Moose, and I have syphilis.
We are here at UW Washington County.
Yay!
We are going to college because we wanted to be like Clap.
'Cause Clap is smart, and I'm stupid like a moose from
So
the
you have
Yukon.
syphilis. Who makes you stupid?
Syphilis does not make me stupid. I don't have a herpes.
Whatever. Anyhow,
Go get a stupid handout from the school.
what are you talking about? Anyhow, let's ask. Well, instead of singing a song, I wanted to recite a poem for Clap.
Yay, poem.
Clap, you are like grass. I like to stare at your ass. I like to hold your hand in the rain. I like to listen when you talk with your brain.
It's funny 'cause it's raining.
And it's raining.
Yay, rain!
Well, thank you for joining us again. We will maybe do more of this series. But we wanted to let you get you introduced to season 2. It's the mini-series, the college days.
Coming out soon to a computer near you.
Bye-bye.
See ya.